What's up, everybody? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor. If you didn't know me, now you know. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to put the notification bell on, because when I drop these videos, you're gonna want to be notified. Check it out, guys. I'm Wally's Welding World, doing all I can out here to offer my services. Teaching you guys this downhill pipeline course is what I do. 6G, bell, and branch, downhill. That's right. We got the workshop kicking off on the 28th, and it's packed, man. I can't wait for it to crack down this weekend on Sunday. I'm really looking forward to it. Got these one-on-one sessions booked, and it's looking like the middle of July before I'm even able to get another one-on-one session. So check it out, guys. We got another workshop kicking loose on July 12th, and I'd like you guys to be a part of it. But if you can't, I understand. But if you're trying to learn this downhill course and you're trying to learn how to downhill pipeline, I'm helping all these guys out here pass this pipeline test, teaching them how to take that bell, how to pass that branch, how to pass that 6G. That could be you. Let me break down something realistic to you guys. Now, there's a lot of people out there trying to pass these tests, and there's a lot of people out there that won't pass these tests, but that isn't you. You can pass this test. So get your ass out here and learn how to pass this test. It's all about you. Ain't no certificate gonna get you there. Only you're gonna get you there. We teach these kids out here how to become rig welders, and we make sure that they make the pipeline. If you're trying to do that and you're trying to learn this downhill course, hit me up, wallysweldingworld@gmail.com. That's right. I'm taking care of everybody across America that wants to learn this downhill course. And if that's you, hit me up. And everybody's hitting me up across America because they want to get down. And I'll be honest, man, it's something that everybody wants to do. So come out here and learn this downhill course, this pipeline course I got. My workshop, man. My workshop's kicking off the 28th. It's already booked. It's already full. But we got another one coming down the 12th. And I'm teaching that one-on-one session for you if you're trying to get all that knowledge to learn how to do this downhill welding. It ain't no joke. It's real. And if you want to book a one-on-one session instead of doing the workshop, that's fine too. Got kids all across America doing this, and it's the great thing to get into now. Being a rig welder and chasing the pipeline is one of the best things. Yeah, the oil feels down, but doesn't mean it's going to be down and out forever. And you want to be having your skills leveled up and sharpened, sword ready to slice and dice when it's time to take off for the pipeline. Hit me up today, wallysweldingworld@gmail.com, and we'll go ahead and get you enrolled in one of these pipeline courses or one-on-one session, whatever you want. Hit me up, guys. If you don't, it's all good. It's all love. I just want to basically offer my services to you guys and let you know that I'm out here teaching you guys this downhill pipeline course, teaching you guys that 6G, making sure that you can know how to pass that test when you're going to go after it. Because let's be real, only you can pass that test.